Hello and Namaskar. Welcome to another session of BW for HANA Tidbits, where I share some of my knowledge and experience.
My name is Devanshu Mukherjee, and today we are going to answer the question: is RSA1 gone in BW for HANA? Well, this T code has been our most beloved and most frequently used T code in all the modeling in BW. So, is it still there? If it's not there, then what do I do without this T code? And where do I do all the modeling which I used to? And if it's there, then what is the change in BW for HANA? So to answer all such questions and to dispel all the confusion, this video will give you the required information. So let's get started.
Important T codes. So important T codes with respect to BW, I will keep adding to this list, but for now you should know these two T codes for sure. RSA1, your administrator workbench, and BW for web. So my question to you guys, is RSA1 still there in BW for HANA?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Only modeling is not there.
Yes, correct. Many of us have this confusion that RSA1 is gone from BW for HANA. That is not true. You still have RSA1. What is gone then? Okay, let's see. If I have to go to RSA1, can I go to RSA1 from Eclipse, or do I have to log in to backend?
There is an icon.
Administration related things are in RSA1.
Yes, you're right. Monitoring and administration things are there in RSA1. Modeling tab is gone from RSA1. That's the only tab which is gone. Okay, tell me, how can I go to RSA1 from Eclipse, guys?
Yeah, at the top there is a icon. SAP logon pad. Click the logon pad.
Oh, this one?
From the under navigate. Under navigate, there is a small icon.
Correct.
Yeah.
Who can tell me the shortcut for that?
Shortcut from here.
Yeah, shortcut key. What is the keyboard shortcut for opening that? I don't use that. I always use shortcut key.
It's right on top of it. It's right on top of it.
Control 6.
Correct. Control 6. Control 6. Just press Control 6 on your keyboard. You don't need to find the icon. Okay, even if the icon is not there, because this icon will only be there when you are in BW modeling perspective. If I go to this ABAP development or something, this icon is gone. Right? So I always use the keyboard shortcut. You should remember this. This is the most frequently used, one of the most frequently used keyboard shortcut, Control 6. The moment you press Control 6, it will ask you which connection you want to use. Remember, project is nothing but a connection to your backend. So you will say, okay, I want to use, say right now we are in training, but in real time scenario, you'll have development, production, quality, UAT, etc. Right? Sandbox. So here I am using BW, so I'll use BW.
So, Devanshu, one question. Here you have two systems, BW for HANA. It's a bit confusing. Can you tell me why?
Yes. I was expecting that question. Okay,
Yeah, one is ABAP, right?
Yes, I will explain. Correct, you're right. One is ABAP, one is BW. So what is the difference? Both are BW, one is ABAP, one is BW. I'll come to that. Give me a moment. So this is the transaction code, Control 6, and then choose your project. You are inside your T code based GUI. So that means my one takeaway is you never have to go back to the GUI and log in. I mean, I would not say never say never. You probably might have to for some or the other reason, but 90% of the time you can do your stuff within Eclipse. So I'll go to RSA1. So on RSA1, you will see that our modeling tab is gone. So the tab starts from administration. Okay, there used to be a modeling there, but it is gone. So administration, you have process change, you have source system related administration, you have different monitors, your process chain monitor, your HANA analysis process monitor, etc. And then you also have your analysis authorizations, you have your housekeeping tasks like your batch manager, data tiering, optimization, execution, etc. And then you have your current setting, your partitioning, DSO, info provider, etc. So all the administration and monitoring tasks you can still do from RSA1. Okay. Then you have transport. One of the major reasons to go back to transaction code RSA1 is transports. Transport connection is not given in BW for HANA cockpit. It is given in a very, I would not say it's matured. It's still there. Okay, BW for HANA, you can still do transport, but not matured. So I always come back to this RSA1 in Eclipse on the transport and do collect my objects and do the transports. And then you have your BI content activation. If you want to do, you have to come back. You have your metadata repository. Metadata repository is this guy, which we talked about. Right? If you go back to the architecture, this guy, metadata manager. This manages your metadata repository.
But that can be accessed in the cockpit, right?
Your metadata repository?
Yeah.
I haven't done that. I'm not sure. I haven't accessed metadata repository I didn't find a tile in cockpit. Yeah, but maybe I'll check. But definitely BI content activation is not there. You cannot do that so far. Maybe SAP will give in future in cockpit, but right now it's not there. So this is why you have to still come back to RSA1.